So, yeah, that whole expression of how to say have done something or had done something is, we'll be running across it in other cases, but it's a big part of Irish, so we have to eventually get a grasp of it, but worry about it too much for now. So let's just read the sentence. So, Geall and Tumani, Le Harrigid a bhí curtha I leataí bheige, the Nora I Bhróchain, and Van Glantachain a bhí aige. Okay. Níor seachté. An sin dhéifrí sé isteach, thug a chiomar leapa, throch chuid éadaí de hain, agus hit isteach sa leaba, mar a bheith duine aigean tar éis legan na tua. So, an sin, then, dhéifrí sé isteach, hurried he in, hug a chiomar leapa, headed towards his bedroom, or you can say turned towards or headed towards his bedroom, hug I gave face to his room. Chroch chuid éadaí de hain. So chroch is tore off or ripped off, quickly did, okay? And you can use that word also for tearing things, okay? There's another word, stork, that's probably more common, just like tearing paper or something like that, or cloth. So it's more like it just quickly removed, okay? Agus hit she isteach sa leaba, fell he into the bed. And again in Irish, into, you say into, in. So into in the bed. Isteach sa leaba. Mar a bheith, as would be, dinna aigean someone, taresh is after, a lagan latua, him to knock down with an axe, or him to bring down with an axe. Okay? Okay? So, someone asked you, okay, how do you say I ate a sandwich? Jitme. Jitme capra. How would someone ask, are you hungry? Question, are you hungry? Unwell. Okay. Well, Okasar, are you hungry? How would you say no? Kneel. If you want to say, I just ate a sandwich, you would say Tame. And actually, you don't usually put the word Jirach in there when you say that, but Jirach Paresh. Capra Iha. So Tame Jirach Paresh, I'm exactly or right after the sandwich to eat. So Tame Jirach Paresh Capra Iha, I've just eaten the sandwich, I'm just after eating the sandwich.
I just ate a sandwich.
Yeah, I'm just after eating the sandwich, something like that. Tame Jirach Paresh Capra Iha, sandwich to eat. Okay? So, usually Jirach in there. So, good expression. Jirach Taresh, and then you use the expression of what you do. So how would you say, I'm just after, I've just drank a Guinness? Jirach Taresh Guinness, okay? Or, huh? Okay. Jirach Taresh, I've just done something. How about I've just bought a new car? Car nua. Achanach. So Tamajirach Taresh car nua achanach. I'm just after a new car to buy. Yeah.
Yes? But it just means I just bought a new car.
I just bought a new car. Yeah. Tamajirach Taresh car nua achanach. Okay. All right, let's just read through that. So, an sin dhéifrí sé isteach, thug a chiomar leapa, chroch a chuid éadaí de hain, agus hit isteach sa leaba, mar a bheith duine aigean, tar éis legan na tua. Okay. Now the word Jeffrey means hurry. It's really the word Jeffer, which is the noun hurry. Okay, so the way you say I'm in a hurry, ta Jeffer oram. There's hurry on me, ta Jeffer oram. Okay, or are you in a hurry? Well, Jeffer ort. Okay, it's a good term to know. Also, the word for clothing and tedach is either cloth or clothing in general. Nahedi are the clothes, and his clothing achij edi. Okay, achij edi. So spelling's slightly different on those two. Achij edi comes from the word edach, meaning his edach. Okay, how would you say her clothes? A quij 80. A quij 80. How do you say my clothes? Mochij 80. Okay. Okay. You have a hochjig now, number 18. Chnag bani vrolchain erandoris, agus huishi is jacks a shomalapa. So chnag is knocked. Okay, same word as English, knock. Chnag. Ben Evrolchain again, Erendoris on the door, agus hui she and went she, is jack into Sashomra Lapa in the bedroom. The word laba is bed, lapa is of bed, so it's room of bed is a bedroom. Okay? Again, kind of backwards from the way English has it. Okay? So Chnag Ben Evrolchain Erendoris, agus hui she is jack Sashomra Lapa. Okay. Renijag. Ligshi osna nor chanakshi and krotavier and shumra. So she sighed when she saw the condition of the room. Say I sighed ligme osna. We had Ligshi beck us. He let a yelp out of him. He yelped, right? We had another one last week. Yeah, which one we had last week? One, but so there's a few things that you can let that sounds or something like that. Okay. The word "krot" is actually a not standard form. The standard form is "krot," which is a condition. Okay. It's really the word "krohi," which is to form or shape something or create something. Krohi. So "krot," the condition, and the condition is on the room. Okay, kind of like when you feel something that is on you, things that happen to rooms are on them. Colors are on things. Okay, so you get a feeling for what the word air means in Irish. Okay, so let she aside when saw she the condition that was on the room. Okay, lig she osna nor a hanik she and krot avir and shomra.
Lig she osna nor a hanik she and krot avir and shomra.
Okay. The 80 katja ingach in aicha and urlar. So there were clothes, katjas thrown, ingach in aich in every single place. Or, okay, each place. How do you want to read that? Er and urlar on the floor. Almost word for word to English, I think. Okay. I was looking at the word katja is interesting. I was thinking about it and I looked up. I think this is the same origin as the word cast in English. To cast something is ka in Irish. So it kind of is an old word. Goes back to Sanskrit, the same word has that. So okay, so vi edi katja ingachin aichen urlar. And the combination gach in aich is a good one to know. How do you think you would say every single person? Gach in dina. Okay. In Irish, when everyone does something, it's common to say ina rina is ina rina. So, in his person and in his person or something like that they came like one by one. But gachin in every single person. Okay.
So how do they sing the ant song then?
Possibly. Okay. Iver fichahain 21. Be pera brog laibach and ali eran laba. So there was a pair of muddy shoes lying on the bed. So be pera brog is a pair of shoes. Brog is a shoe, pair of brog is a pair of shoes. Laibach, laib is mud, laibach is muddy. In a lee, in their lying or lying, Aaron laba on the bed. Okay? So vi pera brog laibach and li laba.
Prepare broad, lava, kali, eran lava.
Okay? And Fikado, when and droch walas shomra and analgi. So we're going to look at a couple things before we get into the main one, which is the bad smell in the room took her breath away. First of all, the word drochwala is bad smell. Most adjectives in Irish go after the word. Okay, so you have car nua is a new car new. Okay, but a few adjectives go in front of the word, and they pretty much attach to the word. So the word ja means good. So ja gana is a good person. Ja gana. A bad person uses droch. Droch is bad. So droch gana. Okay.